With the new bulk edit wizard, you can update multiple fields of multiple modules under a particular module list. Whether it's a quote list, purchase order list, sales order list, leads list, contacts list, or any other module list which you want to update. Select the bulk edit action and edit a maximum of 5 fields at a time. This enhanced feature helps you save time and effort. Once you open the sales order list, select the order IDs that you'd like to edit. You can select as many as you'd like. You can also select all the sales orders by clicking the checkbox at the top. Let's select 3 sales orders. Once you've selected the sales orders, click on the 3-dot menu and click Bulk Edit. The Sales Order Bulk Edit wizard is now open. Here you can see the step-by-step process. First, select the fields. You can search the fields by typing here. Then you'll see all the relevant field names related to that term. You can also select the fields you'd like from the segments displayed below. If you select the top header, like billing information, it will select all those related. If you need to reset, just click the Reset button. As an example, let's select a few fields: due date, carrier, and billing city. Scroll down, click Next. Now we'll generate the form. You'll now need to update the fields that you selected. For carrier first, click the drop-down and select the one you'd like. Billing city is a text field, so type the city. For due date, a calendar will appear once you click. Select the date. Then click Next. You'll now see a screen that displays the sales orders that will be edited. Here's where you want to confirm that everything looks correct. Proceed by clicking Next. Here you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to continue with this bulk edit process. Assuming you do, click Start Updating. Now the execution process has begun. One by one, the fields will be updated. Make sure you don't click on the back button or close this window while it's processing. Once successful, you can go ahead and click Next. Here you'll see the history of the fields that you edited, including all the details. Once done, either click the X in the top right-hand corner, or you can scroll down and click Update again to restart the process. That concludes the bulk edit process.